English B1. Student Cindy Paola Hernandez. Tax 4. Voices in Motion. Tutor Julie Paola Chávez. My name is Cindy Paola Hernandez Bocachica. I grew up in Bogota, Colombia, with my parents and brother. In high school, I used to be an extroverted teenager. I used to love dancing. That is why joining the dancing club of my school. With my dancing group, we used to go to other schools and compete against other students. In those years, I meet my best friend, Sandra Milena Murcia. We get along so well since that moment because we share similar tastes. We like dancing, the same musicians, programs, and we are style close and confident. At that moment in my life, I was chubby, dark skinned, and medium height to eat too much special desserts and sweets. I used to wear jeans, blues, and sneakers. I didn't, I don't like flash clothes because I prefer to look sober and comfortable. Thanks.